You ready to say hi? Hi. Hi.
How could you do this?
Say hi.
I'm your boss.
Say something, please.
Kind of became calm.
Do something.
And that's when he said
Do something.
to me.
Pretty little chicken.
Not only got out of the handcuffs, you got them on me.
Pretty little chicken.
He chuckled at that.
Are you a pretty little chicken?
He's just going to leave.
Are we just going to do pretty little chicken?
He did quietly just leave.
You want scratches, huh? Oh,
I
you
actually didn't tell him.
baby.
It didn't seem to be a life-threatening situation for me, so I didn't.
That time of year, folks.
And also, after that
the malting begins.
There was nothing else. He didn't try anything.
Look at that little sweet baby.
Tony Antonucci managed to outwit Gacy.
She's just so sweet. She's just a sweet baby. Are you a sweet girl, huh? You mama sweet girl?
John Gacy was Big
You
John.
are.
We used to call John Bukovich
You are a
Little
sweet
John.
baby.
And I asked John Gacy, I'm like, where's Little John? And he
Just do
explained
your
to
little
me
head.
that him and a friend of his that was Puerto Rican, they took off and went to Puerto Rico. Soon after John Bukovich disappeared,
Okay, guys.
and John Gacy was living with his wife, Carol, and 2 stepdaughters. I did notice
Since you're going to do nothing
in that tool room,
else,
the floor had been patched. I learned later on
we
that
will
that's where
say,
John Bukovich ended up,
hasta
was
la
in the
vista.
garage floor at John Gacy's house.
Goodbye.